Hola amigos! Welcome to Everyday Spanish with Stephanie. Today we're diving into a powerful hack that's going to revolutionize your Spanish conversations. It's a secret so effective that you'll be sounding like a native in no time. Are you ready? Let's uncover the magic of Spanish connector phrases. First, what exactly are connector phrases? Well, they're actually short, versatile expressions that native speakers use all the time to link their ideas together, to buy thinking time, and to make their conversations flow more naturally. Think of them as the glue that holds conversations together. In English, we have our own phrases like you know, or I mean, or the thing is, to connect our own phrases. And Spanish has their own set of magical connector phrases as well. When you master these, you're going to instantly elevate your conversation skills. Why are these phrases so powerful? Let me explain. They make you sound more natural and less like a textbook. They give you time to think without awkward pauses. They help you construct complex sentences more easily. And they show cultural understanding, helping you connect with native speakers. Now, let's dive into our top 5 connector phrases. Our first phrase is es que, which roughly translates out to it's just that or the thing is in English. Here are some examples. Llegué tarde porque había mucho tráfico, which means I arrived late because, you see, there was a lot of traffic. No puedo ir al cine. Es que tengo que estudiar. This means I can't go to the movies. It's just that I have to study. Okay, let's practice. I'll give you a situation and you try to respond using es que in your answer. Your friend asks you why you're tired. What could you say? How about, es que no dormí bien anoche. It's just that I didn't sleep well at night. Or your boss asks you why you're leaving early. What could you say using es que? You might say, es que tengo una cita con el médico. It's just that I have a doctor's appointment. Next up is lo que pasa es que, which means what happens is that. Here are some examples. No pude terminar con el proyecto. Lo que pasa es que se dañó mi computadora. This sentence means I couldn't finish the project. What happened is that my computer broke. Or how about this example? Lo que pasa es que no sabía que la fiesta era formal. This sentence means what happened is that I didn't know the party was formal. It's practice time. I'm going to give you some more situations and I want you to try to construct an answer using the phrase lo que pasa es que. Okay, explain why you want to learn Spanish. You might have said something like, lo que pasa es que me encanta la cultura latina. The thing is, I just love Latin culture. Or how about this situation? Tell your friend why you can't go out tonight. Maybe you said something like this. Lo que pasa es que tengo que trabajar mañana. The thing is, I have to work tomorrow. Okay, our third phrase is a ver. I love using this one. I use it all the time. It roughly translates out to, let's see. Here are some examples. A ver, ¿dónde dejé mis llaves? Which means, let's see, where did I leave my keys? Or another example. A ver si puedo ayudarte con eso. Let's see if I can help you with that. Okay, let's practice with a ver. You're trying to remember your friend's phone number. Maybe you said something like, a ver, pienso que es 5551234, or something like that. Someone asks you for directions to the nearest bank. Maybe you said something like, a ver, creo que hay uno a 2 cuadros de aquí. Let's see, I think there is one 2 blocks from here. Phrase number 4 is pues nada, which roughly translates out to, well, nothing. Here are some examples. Pues nada, nos vemos mañana. Well, nothing, we'll see you tomorrow. Here's another one. Pues nada, tendré que tratar otra vez, which means, well, I guess I'll have to try again. Okay, here are some more situations for you to practice. If you're ending a phone conversation. Maybe something like, pues nada, te llamaré mañana. Well, I'll call you tomorrow. Or your plans just got canceled. Pues nada, me quedaré en casa. Well, nothing. I guess I'll just stay at home. Our final phrase is resulta que, which translates roughly out to it turns out. Here are a few examples. Resulta que conozco a tu hermano. It turns out that I know your brother. Fui a la tienda y resulta que estaba cerrada. I went to the store and it turns out it was closed. Okay, let's practice with resulta que. You discovered something surprising about your friend. Resulta que Mario habla 5 idiomas. It turns out that Mario speaks 5 languages. How about this one? You just found out why your favorite restaurant closed. One possible answer might be resulta que el dueño se jubiló. It turns out the owner retired. Okay, now let's see how we can use all these phrases together in a conversation. First, I'll play both parts. Hola, ¿por qué no viniste a la fiesta anoche? Ay, lo que pasa es que tuvo un día muy ocupado en el trabajo. Oh, entiendo. ¿Y qué tal el proyecto que mencionaste? Pues nada. A ver, resulta que el cliente cambió de opinión a última hora. Vaya, eso suena estresante. Sí, a veces este trabajo puede ser muy demandante. Bueno, ¿quieres ir a tomar un café y me cuentas más? Claro, ¿por qué no? A ver si podemos ir a esa cafetería nueva en el centro. Now, let's break down how we used each of those phrases. When person B responded to the question of why they didn't come to the party last night, they used the phrase lo que pasa es to indicate what happened. What happened is that I was very busy with work. And when they answered the question about the project, they used the connector phrases pues nada and a ver, like this. Pues nada, a ver. Resulta que el cliente cambió de opinión en última hora. Using it at the beginning of that sentence gave them some time to formulate and think about what they wanted to answer. And finally, when recommending a place to go and get some coffee, person B used the phrase, a ver si podemos ir a esa cafetería nueva. Let's see if we can go to that new cafeteria. Your turn. Let's create some dialogue together. I'll start, and you respond using some of our connector phrases. Are you ready? Hola, ¿cómo estuvo tu fin de semana? ¿Y por qué no pudiste ir al concierto? Qué lástima. ¿Tienes planes para la próxima fin de semana? Great job! You're sounding more natural already. And there you have it, amigos. You've just unlocked the secret hack for sounding more like a native Spanish speaker. Remember, the key is to use and practice these daily in your everyday conversation. Start with 1 or 2 phrases and then gradually add more as you feel more comfortable. Before you know it, you'll be using them like a native Spanish speaker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow Spanish learners. And like we'd say in Spanish, pues nada. Hasta la próxima. See you next time.